This man is a whiz. He took out 2 old phone boxes. He grows hundreds of pounds of potatoes at home. Not only are they easy to take care of, it doesn't take up much space, and it's very productive, and it's very easy to grow. The man first found 2 old phone boxes, pour the mixed nutrient soil into them, until the box is filled to 3/4 of its height. Drill a row of holes on the outside of the boxes, press the sprouted potatoes gently, stuff into the soil, plant 2 rows at appropriate intervals on top. Make sure to keep the sprouts facing upwards, of course, about 4 to 5 in each row. Then tape off the holes. Only the sprouted part is exposed. Finish planting the embryos. Spread a layer of straw evenly on the surface. It's a good way to keep them warm and to keep them growing. The rest of the day is very simple. You only need to water it a few times. After half a month, you'll be amazed that these potatoes have broken out of the ground. 30 days later. At this point, the roots and leaves have already grown. Next, insert some bamboo pieces into the box. Tie it up in a straight line, so that it can climb upwards smoothly. After 100 days, at this point, the leaves are wilting. That means the potatoes inside are ripe. This man's idea is really great. There are so many ways to grow potatoes at home. What do you think of his creative way of growing potatoes? Have you learned it?